Oh, my name's Laddie Timbery. I'm a Bidjigal man, born on the mission at Laperouse in Tin Hut in 1941. My family watched Jimmy Cook come in Botany Bay 297 years and 7 months ago. You call him James Cook. And my family discovered him there. He never discovered much. And my family's been selling boomerangs for 187 years there. And I'm still on the road there selling boomerangs lots of Sundays. This is a right-handed boomerang. The flat side out, the work to your face. This has got to go 45 degrees to the right-hand side, the wind comes back around in the breeze. And that's all I'm doing now. That's a little water hole and the ripples on the water. And this is a little campsite, walking to the campsite to go and have the yarn to the elders. So they're the real boomerangs, all these fellas here. The returning boomerangs and the hunting boomerang, this one. This is the original returning boomerang. This is mangrove. This is the original for thousands of years. Because they're so strong. If you get the natural bend, they're incredibly strong. And this fella goes along the ground for the land animal. Going a kangaroo emu. So it's deadly. See, our rules and regulations, our laws, just incredible. It's deadly.